Kalma, kalma. Shh, kalma. No emotion, okay? Kalma.
Saan masakit sa'yo?
Kalma, kalma, kalma.
Di ba masakit yung paa mo?
Huwag ka lang mag-iisip ng kung ano. Here? Here ba?
Just stop tickling it!
Ay, okay. Kalma, okay? Para hindi ka malalabas ng pawis. So,
Massage ka ni Papa, relax ka lang.
relax
I want
lang.
hair comb.
Here come. Oh. Relax. Feel the vibe. Close your eyes. No, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
No, I will never
No.
close my
Hey, glitters. Oh. Just close your eyes. Relax. Relax. Think that you're in the beach. Just like that. Diba? Nare-relax ka? Diba? Tapos konting masahe dito. Massage, relax, Andy. Kailangan di ka... You need to be dry, okay, your hair.
We got a challenge. You have to sing while
Yeah.
Papa is massaging you.
We go, stop,
Here.
stop it
Oh
now.
yeah, massage, okay?
No.
Only...
Only the blue one.
Yeah, the blue one. Level 1, okay? Are you relaxed already?
Not at my tummy or at my dede.
Okay.
Just my feet.
Turn the... Here. Ow.
We going up, Papa.
Hindi siya nakikiliti, oh.
Mom.
Nare-relax siya, actually.
Here. Ay, ano? Turn around. Turn
No,
around.
not at my back. I only want at my...
Sorry. Rough road. Sorry, rough road. Relax, customer. Just trust me. In your back.
My daddy! My daddy!
Your back nga eh.
I don't want at my back.
Okay, sa head na lang, sa head.
No, I don't want at
Manual massage sa head.
Yo, I don't want to see your face.
No, relax. Think of the blue sky. You're in the beach.
No clouds.
You're the waves mandy by the ocean. And you. Slowly to slowly. Think of the happy days. Do not think the one that you poop inside the car.
Stop it.
Relax. No, relax ka lang. Ayan, oh. Ayan, guys. Yan tayo mag-relax si Mandy Pali, oh. Sobrang spoiled. Like a dog. Like a dog. Relax. Okay? Relax ka lang. Ba't pinapawisan ka pa rin? Ayan, oh.
Turn around.
Turn around na. At the back of your head. This
Don't
is
use
important.
this. Don't use
Okay,
this.
okay. I will not. No, pawis, oh. Okay. Hey, is magaguli, ha? Oh, good night. Ay, and the best actress.